In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mailchimp for social media marketing. By the end, you'll know how to connect your social accounts to Mailchimp, create a social post with images, choose where it publishes, and either post it right away or schedule it for later, all without leaving Mailchimp. Start by opening Mailchimp in your browser and signing in to your account. From your dashboard, head to the integration section. This is where Mailchimp connects with other platforms so you can manage more of your marketing in one place. In the integrations page, use the search bar to quickly find the social platform you want to connect. Type the name of the network you plan to use. For this walkthrough, we'll use Facebook as the example. Click Facebook in the search results to open the integration details, then connect it. You'll be prompted to authorize Mailchimp, and you may be asked to confirm which assets Mailchimp can access. Make sure you're logged into the correct Facebook profile and have the right permissions for your page. If you also plan to post on Instagram, it helps if your Instagram profile is set up for professional use and linked to your Facebook page so it can be managed through third-party tools. Once the connection is successful, you'll be taken back into Mailchimp's integration view. From here, click Create to start a new campaign using this integration. Choose Social Post as your campaign type. You'll see a field for an internal social post name. Give it a clear, descriptive name that makes it easy to recognize later. This title is just for you and your team. When you're ready, click Begin to open the social post editor. At the top of the editor, turn on the Facebook destination so your post will publish there. If you also want to share it to Instagram, toggle Instagram on as well. This lets you publish the same message with matching visuals across both platforms from one place. When your destinations are selected, click Save and Continue to confirm your choices. Now it's time to build your post. In the content area, type the message you want to share. Keep it concise and intentional, leading with the most important detail so it catches attention quickly. You can add line breaks for readability and tailor the wording for your audience. Next, add a visual. Click Browse to open your content library, select the image you want to include, and then click Insert. A strong image will help your post stand out in crowded feeds. If you're posting to multiple channels, try to choose an image that works well in different aspect ratios so it looks great everywhere. With your text and image in place, click Save and Continue. Mailchimp will now prompt you to confirm where the post should publish. For Facebook, select the specific page you want to post to. If you manage more than one page, pick the most relevant one for this message. For Instagram, choose the profile you want to include. This ensures the content goes exactly where you intend across your connected accounts. Click Save and Continue to move to the final step. You'll see your post summary and delivery options. If the content is time sensitive and you're ready to go live, click Publish Now to send it immediately. If you prefer to plan ahead, click Schedule, choose the date and time that best fits your audience's habits, and then confirm. When scheduling or publishing, Mailchimp will ask you to finalize the action, so click Publish to complete it. That's it. You connected your social channels, created a unified social post with a compelling image, selected the right destinations, and published or scheduled it, all inside Mailchimp. As you continue to use this workflow, consider keeping a consistent internal naming style for easy tracking, and review performance in Mailchimp's reporting so you can refine your captions and visuals over time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.